Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel where the news come first on Reality Latest Gist, the headlines. My wonderful people, I'm in the River State crisis. So many pressures have been mounted on Governor Fubara to dump the People Democratic Party (PDP). Hey, my people don't be smoke begay, but before I go bring the matter, I go like welcome on, especially to my wonderful channel. Reality Latest Gist, as they give on a back-to-back update and information as the hot. So if today that your first time to join my wonderful channel, I beg may you like, subscribe and share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss the trend and latest news happening on social media. So all amazing subscribers, I welcome on especially to my wonderful channel. Oh yeah, my Tory people, make we dive into the main story. On Thursday, there was a ravaging political crisis in Rivers State. But my people, it has taken another interesting twist. The judgment of the appeal court in Abuja gave some degree of reprieve to Martin Samahule and his group of 26 assembly members. My people don't be so Wàhàla. So the judgment sparked a wide jubilation in the camp of former governor of Rivers State and serving minister of Federal Capital Territory, Chief Wike. My people, that judgment don't give Wike some edge over Governor Fubara in the ongoing political war of attrition. My people now need to see how Wike's ardent supporters were dancing and jubilating all over the state based on their relative interpretation of the judgment. So the ruling further choked the political system in Rivers State, and it further ignited the ravaging political tension. My people, just on Thursday, the appeal court judge in his ruling held that Rivers State High Court in Port Harcourt lacked jurisdiction to rule on the validity of the defection by Martin Samahule and his colleagues. So in their reaction to the judgment, the G60 Federal Opposition Lawmakers Coalition in the National Assembly argued that the pro-Wike 27 sacked Rivers State lawmaker remained sacked and their seats remain vacant, as the appeal court didn't decide on the validity of their legal decampment nor the declaration of their seats vacant. The coalition spokesperson, Honorable King Algochinyere, said that the appeal court only declared that Federal High Court was the appropriate court with jurisdiction to decide on the legality or illegality of decampment, thereby ruling against the decision of the Rivers State High Court. But Chief Tony Okocha, the caretaker committee chairman of APC in Rivers State, responded that justice was served. So those things when we say they talk for court by the justice of the Court of Appeal, he don't go stand as the bedrock of their unanimous decision. And the APC caretaker, Tony Okocha, they talk say, is very sound and unimpeachable. So now, my people, in the view of this ravaging crisis where they happen for Rivers State, so many people don't come out and they sympathize with Governor Fubara. They suggest defection from the PDP. Because following the obvious lack of support from the leadership of the PDP, both at the state and national level, despite the governor's plight, none of these people don't come out and talk anything about the matter where they go on Rivers State. But I go remember what happened between Adam Soshomole and Shaibu, even Governor Godwin Obaseki, this godfatherism. It no work out. They don't even give space for godfatherism. Okay, maybe we talk about Shaibu being in PDP and he was campaigning for APC. This recent period now of this governorship election, Obaseki no waste time. All the PDP have to sit down together and expel Shaibu from PDP. Say no possible because that is anti-party activities. But ever since when Wike dey PDP and they campaign for APC, it seems as if PDP at the state level and at the national level has refused to talk. It complexes something they go on. Wetin dey happen? Now look at the Rivers State crisis. Since this matter dey play since how many months now, nobody from the state level or the national level have said something about the ravaging crisis in Rivers State. My people, wetin dey happen? Abi they don sort them too? Now, one of the political commentators, frankly taking in the state, explained that with the seeming neglect of the governor by the national leadership of the PDP, it is obvious that he does not enjoy the support of the party. So it is clear that the Federal Capital Territory Minister, Wike, must have won the party to himself and thereby made the PDP in the state to be toxic to the governor, Fubara. So wetin Franklin wan be say make Fubara leave PDP because he don say the former vice president and the presidential candidate of the 2023 election, Atiku Abubakar, has refused to visit the governor in the face of the battle Governor Fubara is going through, and it's very difficult to believe. So that clearly shows a party that does not care for their own, but they would like to dance to the tune of another man. My people, not only Franklin don come out come talk make Fubara leave PDP. Another Solomon Leno, a human rights activist, was also in support of the call for Fubara to exit the PDP. So according to him, he said Fubara cannot win any election in the state if he remains in the PDP to conduct the local government election in October. He said the state chairman of the PDP is the minister loyalist. So they should remember that he has refused to attend the stakeholders meeting last Monday by the State Electoral Commission. So his fear is that the party may not give the ticket to Governor Sim Fubara candidate for the election. This is why he is telling Fubara now that he should not hesitate to look elsewhere to save his political career. Now, so many people they ask, on which political party will Governor Sim Fubara go to? Which one? But the convener of the Ogoni Development Drive said Governor Sim Fubara should go to SDP or Accord Party, that one will be okay. Saying no want me Sim Fubara go to Labour Party because their national leadership has been brought over by certain powerful forces in Abuja. So the two political parties he mentioned earlier, the SDP and Accord Party, have a bit of popularity in the state. You say if not before, if I prefer the Labour Party, but as it is now, the Labour Party has been blocked by these forces. My people, you guys can recall that in April, 60 PDP lawmakers in the House of Representatives demanded the resignation of the party acting national chairman, Umar Damago, for failing to address the political crisis in Rivers State. So the 60 lawmakers led by the PDP member representing Idiato North, Idiato South, Federal Constituency, Imo State, Ikengo Gochunye, accused Damago of, among others, taking side with Wike and working for the APC, a party that gave Wike the Federal Capital Ministerial appointment. Happy Nigerians never wonder why Damago kept quiet while 27 members of Rivers State House of Assembly elected on the platform of PDP left the party. He has been quiet while they were threatening to impeach Governor Sim Fubara in his party. Nigeria will be shocked to hear that Umar Damago was consulted and was fully aware of the entire details of the plot to impeach the Rivers State governor. And I'm fully aware he gave his approval to that plot. Yet he referred to himself as a chairman of the party. So diffusing the call for Governor Sim Fubara defection, the Director General of Simplified Movement, Governor Fubara Grassroots Political Group, Honorable Evans, said that the governor is the leader of People Democratic Party in Rivers State. So he has not given them the direction of where to go. That wherever he wants to go, that they will go there with him. The former chief whip in the House of Assembly said that the appeal court judgment was fair. So the judge was right when he said that the High Court in Port Harcourt lacked the jurisdiction to entertain the case. So there was no declarative judgment. That the judgment did not talk about defection. So for now, they have two parallel assembly. So responding to the call for Fubara defection, an elder statesman and leader of the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, Chief Anab Sarah Igbe, said that it was too early to start agitation for Sim Fubara to leave PDP. That to him, the game is becoming clearer, but it is too early for that. Said if Governor Sim Fubara is not comfortable with his party, that he can leave. But it is clear for him that present leadership of the PDP is suggesting another direction for Fubara. That is too early for that. So let them wait and see how things will unfold. Maybe in 2027. My people, ever since we say this crisis they ravage, a lot of people they talk say, make Sim Fubara leave PDP. Even the state chairman of the Labour Party in Port Harcourt, Tekuma Conte Fubara said the door of Labour Party is open for him, that if he's willing to join the party, that he can come. Moreover, he's a Nigerian citizen, so he have every right to go wherever he wants to go and whatever he wants to do. That he should come to the party. That he cannot stay where he is not welcome or appreciated. So if Governor Sim Fubara feels he is in a toxic situation, that he should take a walk. Moreover, anywhere he chooses to go, that the people will also go with him. They will support him. That if he comes to his party, that he will gladly welcome him and he will support him. My people, it all said. At this point, I would like know our contribution, on our opinion, and a suggestion in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We do appreciate it. On this note, we have come to the end of this segment. Till I come your winners. Bye for now.